Congratulations, Dr. Fiore, on becoming the third president of Mercy College of Health Sciences. It's my great pleasure to welcome you on behalf of Drake University to Des Moines and to the Central Iowa community of higher education. I look forward to working with you and your colleagues to advance our common mission of providing our students an outstanding education and providing wonderful service to our communities. Again, congratulations.
Dr. Fiore, all of us at Grandview University welcome you to Des Moines. We look forward to working alongside you to prepare the healthcare professionals that our community needs. Best wishes.
Dr. Fiore, on behalf of the Greater Des Moines Partnership and the entire DSM USA business community, we welcome you. Mercy College has played a critical role in preparing outstanding professionals to fill the increasing demands for healthcare workers in DSM and across our state. In a state where 1 out of every 6 people is currently an older Iowan, finding enough healthcare professionals remains a challenge. But Mercy College has been a leader in developing and placing talent here to support the increasing demand. Mercy College is an icon of our downtown. Under your leadership, we look forward to the continued growth of your campus, and we look forward to your personal involvement with the DSM business community. Welcome.
Congratulations on your inauguration to Mercy College of Health Sciences, where the dedicated and passionate faculty and staff look forward to partnering with you to ensure that Mercy is a great place to be. Best wishes.
Dr. Fiore, the Association of Catholic Colleges and Universities welcomes you as the new president within the cohort of more than 200 Catholic colleges and universities in the United States. You have already shown yourself to be a dedicated president, committed to Catholic higher education. Thank you for saying yes, and be assured of our commitment in the ACCU National Office to serve you and your community well. God bless you, the school, and your presidency.
DMAC wishes to congratulate Mercy College of Health Science on the selection of its third president, Dr. Douglas Fiore. For 24 years, Mercy has provided exceptional service to all of Iowa out of its Des Moines facility. DMAC is proud to be a partner with Mercy on many projects. My niece actually graduated from Mercy, spent time in Phoenix, and is now a nurse with the Veterans Administration Hospital here in Des Moines. Again, congratulations.
Our team at Catch Des Moines sends a warm welcome to Dr. Fiore in his new role as Mercy College of Health Sciences' third president. Welcome to Des Moines.
President Fiore, I just wanted to welcome you to Des Moines and especially to Mercy College. Congratulations on your new role as third president of our college, and I wish you lots of good luck in your new role. And I look forward to working with you as a member of the Alumni Board. Thank you.
Welcome to Iowa, Dr. Fiore. I'm Senator Tony Bisignano. I represent the campus of Mercy College of Health Sciences and a large part of the rest of Des Moines. I believe the best healthcare legislation always starts with working with healthcare providers. Let's work together to make Iowa a healthier place to live and to work. Welcome to Des Moines.
Congratulations, Dr. Doug Fiore, as Mercy College's Health and Sciences third president. I know that you are going to do a great job for your students and for Iowa. Congratulations on your new leadership role. Thanks so much.
Congratulations to Dr. Doug Fiore on becoming the Mercy College of Health Sciences third president. Your new role fills the important need of training high-demand medical professions to care for Iowans. Mercy College and the Des Moines community are sure to benefit from your leadership and years of experience in advancing higher education. I wish you the best of luck in the coming years, and let me know how I can help you.